we're here in Stockholm, Sweden, and we just got out of the T-Centralen station.
If we're even saying that right.
That's how we've been calling it. And we're here in the city center area on our way to
City Hall.
City Hall. And
check this out, you guys. There's a lot going on here.
This is cool. So there's a lot of shops behind us. That was the train.
Lots of shops this way. I even saw a food hall over on this side.
Behind the bus.
Yeah, there's a lot happening.
Well, where to? How do we get there?
We're gonna walk this way. And we're gonna take about a kilometer walk.
More kitties.
Yeah, come with us. I want to see what this is too. We see that from our hotel.
Is it the same one or are they different?
I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, because this is a view we see. We're facing this is where all the shops are. I was wondering yesterday where all the shopping was. Here it is.
Wow, whatever is going on over there, these children have somewhere to be. There's a
the buddy system.
Line of them. So that's another like train, like an outside train.
Maybe
a trolley.
That's like their trolleys or their trams.
It has the logo on it, so we should probably be able to use them if we need it.
We need to be in the sun though, because it's quite chilly in the shade. Some neat stores. Should we do some shopping? No, we have no room in our suitcases. Oh, is that the same thing? Yeah, right? There it is.
Yeah. It does have the SL logo on it.
Yeah, so if we haven't mentioned it enough, the way to go here in Stockholm is to get yourself an SL card and use that every single day, everywhere you go. It's so easy.
We've been able to get around everywhere very efficiently. I don't think we've waited more than but a couple of minutes for a train at any given time. So that's how you ought to do it.
Let's go, let's go.
Sure. Huh.
So we have 90 meters and then we gotta make a left.
Okay. Another kitty.
The kitties are everywhere.
We're here at City Hall, and for some information, it was built between 1911 and 1923.
That's impressive.
And over 8 million bricks were used.
Even more impressive.
So it looks like we can go inside. There's a piazza that we can go around, some interesting things. Let's see if we can...
Blue Hall.
Yeah, let's see if we can learn a little bit about Stockholm here.
Yeah.
Tourist entrance.
Be careful, step.
And it says the tourist entrance is around. It's that other opening where we cross the street.
That we walked around. All right, let's go. There's no sign to the tourist entrance. Do you think this is the tourist entrance?
I think so.
I mean, there's like no side entrance. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Wow,
we still haven't learned the word, but it's Biljetter.
Biljetter.
Tickets.
Vistingar Biljetter. That's cool.
Yeah. That's
And it continues
Stockholm.
over on that side, yeah.
Yeah, clearly this is the tourist entrance.
Look at this. Look at this entrance.
There's even a gift shop.
Wow.
the gold statues on the top. Wow.
Quite impressive.
It looks like there's a cafe over there and a gift shop back there. I'm not seeing... Oh, there's some stuff on the side there. I don't know what it is just yet, but it looks like you can go in there. Let's go out to the water over here. Take a look at the view.
You see the people, the bus on the windows?
You've made it in life when you become a bust, and
right?
They put you out on a government building.
Nobody knows who you are, I suppose.
Sure, I'd like one.
That's on our list. Create busts.
I guess the real thing is if someone creates one of you.
Oh, so you shouldn't.
But I think until that happens, if someone can make sculptures and do one for us, let us know.
Yes, look how pretty this is. Ah, the sun. Wow. This is beautiful. I can see some pretty cool events happening here.
Yeah.
The current's not as fast as we saw it yesterday here. This seems like a wider body of water though.
Yeah.
Look at that over there. That's pretty. These nice ladies greeting you.
Yeah. But yeah, great view.
What a clear, beautiful day. Look at it behind you. It's really neat. A lot of detail on this building.
Right.
I like it.
Should we see what some of those inside pieces were?
Yes.
There are some doors on the left that you can go into. Now let's see what we can find in there. What's the room called where they have the assembly stuff?
The Blue Hall, I believe.
Oh, I thought there was something with gold too. What did you think of Stockholm City Hall?
That was very impressive. I did not do any prior reading or even look at any of the pictures before going in there, so it made it even more surprising, I think. I didn't know what to expect, to be honest.
Yeah, I would say one of the most intricate and beautifully designed city halls I've ever seen.
Yes. Whoever was commissioned to create it, I could see why he spent so much time and changed his mind often, because the end result is impressive.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
I actually like, it's the hall where they use for everybody to go in during the Nobel Prize, and then every Saturday They also do weddings there. And one of the facts you mentioned is that up to 70 couples will get married on a given Saturday. So imagine how quick those ceremonies must be. But it was just so beautiful. The lighting and the sun was hitting it just right that it was absolutely stunning. So that was my personal favorite out of all of the halls, even though it was the most narrow. Which one was yours?
Okay, so I have two favorites for two different reasons, and I have to do both of them. And the first one is the Gold Room.
Yes, I knew you were gonna go with the
It
Gold Room.
has the history of Sweden and Stockholm on golden mosaic tiles. Wow.
It was like a sandwich, right? She
Yeah, gold with glass for protection.
Yes.
My second favorite thing was actually a feeling. We walked down the stairs along the same path that all the winners of the Nobel Prize walked. Going down, I just kind of, like, I had the camera out, but I just thought back to so much good in humanity was celebrated and awarded down those same stairs. I felt like I was part of that history. I mean, it was an incredible feeling.
Yeah, and,
And that was my favorite.
There's about a little over 1,000 people that are invited for the Nobel Prize banquets. That's a lot of people.
Yeah.
And I don't know, going down those stairs, I felt the pressure. I wasn't even wearing a dress or high heels.
Yeah.
But imagine you won a Nobel Prize and you're going down the stairs. Wow.
That whole thing, and the fact that they do it as a tour. Stockholm, we can see a very proud city. The Swedish proud and want to show their history and what they have here. It was fantastic. So if you're here in Stockholm, anywhere around it, and you're going through city center, you have to come by.
And it was easy to get here. So you have to just go to the T-Centralen station if you're taking the metro. And then it's probably about a 9-minute walk by the water. So it was really pretty walk. You see a lot of runners depending on what time of the day you come up here. So it's a little bit further out than everything else we've seen, but it's cool to see another area as well.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Incredible. Wow.
Yeah, I don't know, yeah, that was very impressive.